What are you looking for? He's a little troublemaker. He likes to get up on the table and eat stuff, apparently. Looks like one of my next projects, or one of my ongoing projects, my next project on this project. This is my wonderful, beautiful STX38 John Deere lawnmower tractor. I know, it's a beauty. I just spilled a bunch of rain in there, but the problem is it would like surge, it would like miss, it would be going along and it would like kind of start jerking a little bit in the second and third gear there. I'm not quite sure what's wrong with it. I've seen several videos of how to take this apart. And there's the little tag on the back, STX38 tractor. It says it's a tractor, it's really a lawnmower. But I got to drop the axle out of here, pull it apart, and see what's going on inside. It's really just a bunch of gears. It shouldn't be too much wrong with it. I mean, there's not a lot to go wrong with it. I don't understand why it would do that surging thing and like I don't know, what do you call it? Missing. It starts to miss. It goes along and then it just kind of like start jerking. It's running real jerky. And then well, of course I got a little bit of sheet metal in work to do here. There's a little hole there. An ant tried to attack me. A little rust around there, but I got my sheet metal today. Oh yeah, and the deck needs a lot of, somebody put some nice aluminum on there, but it doesn't really cover the hole. The hole got a little bigger than the aluminum was. Oh, got a bunch of ants in there. I have to spray that with some carburetor cleaner. Maybe just take that aluminum piece off there. It looks like they're living under there. So yeah, a little bit of sheet metal welding on there, a little bit of sheet metal welding on the other. Oh, a little sheet metal welding under there too. Got a whole bunch of sheet metal welding to do on this thing. So yeah, that'll be my next project with the welder. Try to get the sheet metal going on this thing. Button her up a little bit. Oh, and make the axle go again. It'd be nice if it would actually drive. Kind of hard to push this thing around. But yes, it's a beauty. Keep this little sock right here to soak up the water if it gets wet. A little sock holder they got on the side of that, real handy. Put your rag or your sock right there.